don't do like me. I didn't listen to people who said to thin your carrots, and I didn't. So now here I am, and these carrots were like oversown in this garden bed that I had, and I just let it go, partially because I do like the greens, okay, because carrot greens make delicious pesto. Believe me, I can just eat them like this. But also because I didn't feel like it. But this is what happens. They don't really have a chance, the carrots themselves don't really have a chance to grow, and it's overcrowded. And so I just pulled a lot of them. I'm gonna make some pesto. I'm gonna add these to some I'm gonna add this to some salad. And you can definitely eat these. So I'm gonna eat those too once I clean them up. But yeah, thin your carrots. Okay, it's a thing. Daughter and I, we just kind of like toss the carrot seeds in here, and this is what happened. And so now it's over sown, and so I went and thinned them back now, which I could have did earlier on, but I decided not to. Now I'm going to put in this bed anyway these little finger carrots from Botanical Interest. They have a short maturity date, 57 days, so that should work well. And I'm going to properly space them this time. You know what carrot seeds actually look like? Let me show you. That little. Uh-oh. That's how small a carrot seed is. That's like 4 of them right there. If you don't know what thinning means, that means to like pluck out and get rid of the second like little bit of green or new growth that comes from the seed. Sometimes people will sow or put in the dirt, right? That's what they call sow. 2 seeds at a time, so that it's like success that at least one of them is gonna grow roots. But once 2 of them start growing in the same spot, it may not have, like, there's not enough space for the both of them to be there. It's like survival of the fittest. And then you go in and they thin the little seedling, the one that is like smaller, and that will allow the one that's stronger to then grow bigger. I didn't know all this, right? I'm like saving you lots of time on YouTube by telling you this. You should thin your carrot seeds when you put them and sow them. On the flip side, I did end up with a bunch of greens, which I might not have if I had plucked them out when they were smaller, right? So there's that. I also am not having carrots, a whole bunch of carrots. So I think it's a win-win situation. I'm not mad about it. Bye.